everyone, and welcome back. In this video we're going to be adding the final piece of our UI to our register page, and that is going to be our register button. So with that said, let's get into it and let's see how to do it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is similar to what I've done before, is that I'm going to head on over to our build UI function, and inside of our build UI function I am going to be now adding a button which is going to be after our register form. It's going to be called register button. With this I'm going to add the brackets at the end to invoke the function, and with that done, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to copy a size box in to add some spacing between the form and the button, and I'm going to say that it's going to be the device's height times 0.05 for the height. And then what I'll do is that I'll copy this size box again, and I'm going to add a size box after this register button as well, and that's going to be the device's height times 0.02. With this done, I am going to go down after the register form function, and after that function I'm going to be creating a new function which I'm going to call register button, and this function is going to be responsible for rendering our button. So register button, and then with this we can open it up. The first thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to return a rounded button, which if you guys remember from the last videos is a custom widget we had created would return a blue rounded button to us. For the name of the button I am going to pass in register as the name. Then for the height I'm going to use the device's height, and I'm going to multiply that with 0.065, and then for the width I'm going to take the device's width and I'm going to multiply that with 0.65. With this, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to, for the onPress function, give it an anonymous function, and I'm going to mark this anonymous function as an asynchronous function. And with this I'm going to leave the function empty, but I'm going to add a semicolon at the end, and then just add a comma here just to reformat the code better, and do command save. So with this we have our register button in place as well, and that's pretty much all we had to add to our register page in terms of the UI elements. So with that, I'm going to end this video here, and I'll see you guys in the next module, where now we're going to be implementing the business logic into our register page so that we can actually register our user inside of Firebase. So with that, thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.